Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an exciting online business opportunity, making money with print on demand. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. If you have a creative side and want to start your own e-commerce business without the hassle of inventory management, print on demand is the way to go. So, let's dive right in. 1. What is print on demand? Before we begin, let's understand what print on demand is all about. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom-designed products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases, without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped directly to them, saving you time and money. 2. Choosing a print-on-demand platform. The first step in making money with print on demand is to choose the right platform to host your online store. Some popular print-on-demand platforms include Shopify, Printful, and Teespring. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces, product catalogs, and integration options for seamless order fulfillment. 3. Designing your products. Now comes the fun part, designing your products. Whether you're a graphic designer or not, you can create eye-catching designs using various tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Consider your target audience's interests, trends, and niche markets when designing your products to increase their appeal. 4. Setting up your online store. Once you have your designs ready, it's time to set up your online store. Using a print-on-demand platform like Shopify, you can create a professional-looking store with custom branding, product descriptions, and pricing. Make sure to optimize your store for a smooth user experience. 5. Marketing and promoting your store. Building a successful print-on-demand business requires effective marketing and promotion. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can be powerful tools to showcase your products, engage with potential customers, and drive traffic to your online store. Additionally, consider collaborations with influencers or running targeted ads to reach a wider audience. 6. Managing customer service and order fulfillment. As your business grows, it's crucial to provide excellent customer service and ensure smooth order fulfillment. Respond to customer inquiries promptly, maintain clear communication, and ensure timely shipping and delivery of products. Partnering with a reliable print-on-demand platform will simplify the order fulfillment process, allowing you to focus on customer satisfaction. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money with print-on-demand. From choosing the right platform to designing products and promoting your store, print-on-demand offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your creativity into profit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more online business tips and strategies. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy printing! For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.